Ready?
Mickey, if he don't have a hard hat and a safety vest, don't let him out of that truck. 70-something? 6.
Hey, what about this hump here?
I gotta come back and cut it.
Thank you.
I was working on that one.
And I'll still be working too, I think.
I was coming back because we had already found the bottom of the trench here.
Well, hell yes.
I was working on this hump.
And what are you going to do if you retire?
This is admissible in court, so watch what you say.
Scratching at it when bam, I hit the pipe.
Well, where the mark is at?
Yeah, it's marked.
I think, isn't that where I had the water?